In this video, let's understand Mozart's User Journey Builder for application monitoring. User journey monitoring refers to simulating user interactions to assess applications' performance and detect issues in real time. Now, let's look at the three main attributes in building a user journey in Mozart. User journeys are defined by specifying the sequence of actions and interactions that a user takes while navigating the application. Events in a user journey represent critical actions, outcomes, or interactions. Key performance indicators are metrics that are used to assess and evaluate the performance of events within the user journey. Consider the 5G Mark application's user journey to perform indoor speed test. And the KPIs, time to load home page and time to view results page. Now let's look at the time to load home page KPI. To calculate this KPI, I have defined two events which are app launch and home elements appear. The KPI is a latency metric and calculation for this KPI is defined as the time difference between the event 1 and event 2, which are the moments when app launch has started and the first time home page elements appear. Similarly, the time to view results page is defined as the time difference between the first time indoor button has appeared and the first time results page appear. Now, let's look at how we can build a user journey on Mozart. From the home page, click on Monitoring. This module consists of App Barometer, Journey Builder, and Journey Summary. Click on Create Journey and provide the user journey name. In our example, Indoor Speed Test. Add it, and proceed to the next page. You will land on KPI and Event Builder page. You can either choose from existing KPIs or create a new one. For creating new KPI, provide the name and select the KPI type. Either create new events with event names of your choice or select from existing list. Here, I am selecting app launch and home page elements appeared. Click on Add KPI to associate the KPI with the journey. Similarly, create the time to view results page KPI. Proceed to next page to review the KPIs and events list. You can go back to the previous page to edit. Click on Submit and the journey will be created successfully. You can navigate to the journey summary and check for the journey created. You can delete or modify your journeys. You would also be able to view list of all the events and KPIs that are created on the platform. You can use these events and KPIs to integrate in your test script, which will be used in automation testing on your real mobile devices and smart TVs.